92% of multifocal lens wearers admit they have worn their lenses inside out. With Menicon's Smart Touch, the contact lens is always the right side up. It's hygienic because your fingers don't touch the inner surface. Clean, comfortable to wear, and quick in the morning with hassle-free handling. The Miru one-day flat-pack multifocal package is the world's slimmest and eco-friendly. It's made from recycled plastic waste using a fully automated manufacturing process and produces 80% less waste than conventional packaging. The neuro-adaptive design has a gentle, smooth, progressive contact lens profile for comfortable vision at all distances. The lens bonds mimic the natural tear film structure, readily attracting and retaining moisture for great biocompatibility. It also has maximum wettability and moisture retention for long-lasting comfort.